I've been appalled by recent news reports of violence over the last week directed towards Filipino nurses in Sunderland, GPs closing early out of fear of riots, and the torching of a Nigerian care worker's car. These people are there for our country when we need them. They look after us at our most vulnerable and bust a gut to keep us well. Their attackers bring shame on our nation and our flag. We will not tolerate NHS or social care staff being subjected to intimidation, harassment or racist abuse. We have a zero tolerance policy in the NHS and will take a zero tolerance approach in social care too. Anyone racially or violently abusing NHS staff or care staff can and should be turned away. These are the disgraceful actions of a tiny minority. These far-right thugs have no idea about our country's history or heritage. They do not represent who we are. This government will make sure that anyone guilty of these crimes will suffer the full force of the law. They will regret this for the rest of their days. The vast majority of us are disgusted and appalled by what we've seen on our streets. We are lucky to have people in our NHS and social care services who come from around the world to provide great, compassionate care. I'm proud that we have these people in Britain, and so are the overwhelming majority of the British people. The NHS was built by people of all faiths and nationalities. It is no coincidence that the founding of the NHS took place in the same year, 1948, that the Empire Windrush arrived on Britain's shores. That generation built our NHS, and it is a huge strength of our health service. I want to say to all NHS and care staff, we are lucky to have you. We are so grateful for your care and compassion and your service. So to you, from your government, your patients and care users, thank you. Britain will always be your home.